Hey YouTube, let's do this song by War on Drugs called Wasted. It's off their new album, I Don't Live Here Anymore. We do a little playthrough. I'll do each section of the song and then we'll learn it. Okay, so that was the verse, the chorus, the bridge, and there's a little turnaround that they also use for the ending. A turnaround is just like a section that is like ending, and it gets you into another part of the song. Okay, so the verse. First of all, we got a capo on the 5th fret. G. The verse is G, B minor, C, B minor. That repeats the verse, G, B minor. Except the second time through, on the second verse, they go C and they end with the D. D and B minor are relative to each other, so you can substitute them. So at the end of the verse, they go to a D. And that's when they go to the next section. Well, I'm calling it a chorus. C to B minor, A minor, G. It's just a descending chord progression. C, B minor. He plays B minor like this, with the thumb around. But that's fine. You can play it like that. I just learned to play it like this. But he plays it more like it's actually the exact same shape as an F, like when people play this F. But it's just moved down. It starts on the first string. This is the B minor. Okay, so the chorus, just if you look at it like this, C goes down one, B minor, A minor, and then the final time through on that chorus, to get out of it, they do E minor, D, C. That's that turnaround. E minor, D, C. It's also the outro. End of sections at the end of the chorus, and I think at the end of the bridge they play that. All right, the bridge is the bridge. I don't know. I'm calling it a bridge. This could actually be the chorus, and the other one could be the pre-chorus, but it's just section 3. Let's call it that. C, D, then it goes C, D, E minor, D. Then it goes back to the C, D, G. And then it goes to that turnaround. E minor, D, C. And then I believe it goes back to the verse. All these are relative to the capo on the 5th fret. All right, thanks for watching. Have fun playing that. Bye.